Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to either activate or deactivate the chat translation feature on your Samsung phone, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. So make sure you go to settings and then scroll down until you find this option here, advanced features. Then tap advanced intelligence and finally Samsung keyboard, and then select chat translation. Now in my case it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap here, and here we have a couple options that we can set, like which apps are going to be able to use the feature. So if you tap here, you will be able to configure the chat apps that you have in your phone and select which ones are going to be able to use this feature. And here you can select the language packs that you need. And in my case, I'm using two languages, English and Portuguese. But then again, you can just select the languages that you need and tap these download buttons here on the right to get them to your phone, so you don't need internet connection to perform the translations. Now, the way it works is like this. Let me get a conversation here.